I've learned that I am a person of privilege. I've learned that there's people in society that have no privilege. There's people in society that have a whole lot of privilege, and I sit somewhere in between. I've learned that in light of recent events in North America and the protesting against police brutality and ultimately racism, that it still exists. In 2020, racism still exists. It's just crazy. I've learned that when we see injustices happening against a certain type of person or people or race or religion or gender or sexual orientation, that we shouldn't look the other way. We shouldn't be thinking that's not our fight. Those people that are affected, those people will fight, and that's wrong. We should be thinking that's happening to humans. We're humans. We're all one human race. We're born equal, and we should be treated equally with respect. And we should be using our voice, our privilege, to shine a light on what's happening and to make people aware that it still exists, and to say something right when we see something wrong peacefully. Yeah, peacefully protest when you see something wrong or injustices happening, because it's not right. It's 2020 and it's not right.